Hello my country people, ndị Igbo kedu
The senior striker is
duka
here to place
Hausawa
penalty.
naoni
Can he score the goal?
kpụrụkpụrụ
Let's watch
abadie
and see.
ndị efo
Goal!
ẹ̀yin ọmọ Odùduwà ṣé àlàáfíà lẹwà.
The top nine!
Today I bring una Nollywood personality wey all of una don dey watch for many years. Which year dem born am? Where im go school? Im don marry? Im kukushi wey oyinbo dey call net worth? In relationship with former Nigerian President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan? How many films im don appear and many more. Make una relax and follow me enjoy dis gist.
Make some noise for Zangu! Make some noise for the person when they kill it! Go!
Dem born OSITA IHEME, wey everybody know as Pawpaw, for February 20, 1982 in Abia State, though im papa be from Ibitoli for Imo State. E first do im primary and secondary school for Abia State before e come graduate with bachelor's degree in computer science for Lagos State University LASU. The guy no stop there o. Im still waka go Institute of Management Technology (IMT) Enugu, where e go do masters in business administration. Who know whether the guy go still go do im PhD? Na lawyer dey OSITA mind to do when e read book finish for IMT, but in 1998 e join the people wey dey act play. The title of the film wey bring am come limelight wey come make people sabi am all over the world na Aki na Ukwa. Na inside that film im friend Chinedu Ikedieze play the role of Aki while OSITA follow play the role of Pawpaw. Pawpaw don feature inside many popular Nollywood films wey include Akagom, Johnny Just Come, Nicodemus, Two Rats, Baby Police, Back from America, Charge and Bail, Big Daddies, Mr. Ibu and others. As I dey follow una yarn now, OSITA don play lead role for over 200 films. As una know say hard work get im own reward, na so im talent earn am many awards and recognitions wey include Africa Movie Academic Awards (AMA) Best Actor 2006 for the leading role wey im play inside the film wey dem title Secret Adventure. Lifetime Achievement Award by the same AMA in 2007. In 2011, AMA sama am again with Best Actor for the supporting role wey e play for the movie titled The Mirror Boy. Best Actor in Nigeria, Africa Magic Viewers Choice Awards 2014.
Not take any nonsense from you.
Papa, and I will make sure I will not take any nonsense from anybody.
Including me.
No, I mean anybody. Your name is Papa Mr. now. I mean anybody.
In whose workshop?
This workshop.
Which means I'm included.
No, I mean anybody. You're not anybody.
The oga patapata for all the awards wey im don get na member of the Order of the Federal Republic of Nigeria (MFR) wey former President and Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces Goodluck Ebele Jonathan sama am for 2011. If to say na as person tall reach go make am get award, I doubt if OSITA go get anything. Whether OSITA don marry or born pikin, we no know, sake of say im dey keep matter wey concern im marital life away from public view. As e be now, if you put OSITA for market, im worth 556 million naira. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.